Learn something is better than learn nothing. Persuasion power can help you get more of things you want faster. That of things you want faster than anything else you do it can mean the difference between success and failure. It can guarantee your progress and enable you to use all of your other skills and abilities at the very highest level. Your persuasion power will earn you the support of others. Now you have two choices. Either you can persuade others to help you, or you can be persuaded by others to help them. It's one or the other. Most people are not aware that every human interaction involves a complex process of persuasion and influence, and being unaware, they are usually the ones being persuaded to help others rather than the ones who are doing the persuading. The key to persuasion is motivation. Every human action is motivated by something. Remember, the first part of motivation is a motive or a reason. Your job is to find out what motivates other people, the reason, and then to provide that motivation. People have two major motivations: the desire for gain and the fear of loss. The desire for gain motivates people to want to do more, the thing that they value in life. They want more money, more success, more health, more influence, more respect, more love, more happiness. Human wants are limited only by the individual imagination. No matter how much a person he or she wants, still wants more. When you can show a person how he or she can get more of the things he or she wants by helping you to achieve your goals, you can motivate them, act on your behalf. President Eisenhower said that persuasion, the art of getting people to do what you want them to do and to like it. You need always to be thinking about how you can get people to want to do the things that you need them to do, attain your own personal objective. People are also motivated to act by the fear of loss. This fear in all its various forms is often stronger than the desire for gain. People fear a financial loss, loss of health, anger, disapproval of others, loss of the love of someone, and the loss of anything they have worked, have to accomplish. They fear change, risk, and uncertainty because these threaten them with potential losses. Next to use dual motivation. Whenever you can show a person that by doing what you them to do, they can avoid a loss of some kind. You can influence them to take a particular action. The very best appeals are those who are offered an opportunity to gain and an opportunity to avoid loss. At the same time, here are two things you can do immediately to put these ideas into action. First, before trying to convince someone of something, take a little time to think and ask questions to find out what it is he or she really wants. Then motivate him or her to act by showing him that you can help him to get it. Remember, people are motivated for their reason, not yours. You have to find out what their reason are before you try to persuade them of anything. I make more videos on this topic because every person needs some persuasion skills and techniques, how you can persuade others. So I can make more videos on this topic. So subscribe and thanks for watching.